Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana and Cardano. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. I have opened the chart of Bitcoin against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at this coin, currently this coin has entered into its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this trend reversal formation, that was double top formation when it gave closing below 89,174 in this candle. After that, it exposed three targets on downside, where its first target was 81,586. This first target has already been achieved in this candle. Second target on downside is 75,883, and its final target on downside after this breakdown is 69,586. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level in Bitcoin is 95,000. If you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 95,000. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is sell on new breakdown. And if you look at this candle, this candle has submitted a new breakdown at this level when it gave closing below 89,174. So currently price is exactly at this breakdown low, at this breakdown level, so we can go for selling into this coin at current levels as well. And after selling or short selling into this coin, our first target on downside will be 81,586. Second target on downside will be 75,783, and final target on downside will be 69,586. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will sustain above 95,000. Before this level, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. But if you get a less risky opportunity on intraday basis for buying side, then you can definitely go for buying into Bitcoin for intraday basis. But for mid-term to long-term, I will definitely not recommend you guys to go for buying into Bitcoin. The next coin is Ethereum. If we look at this coin, currently this coin is moving in its sideways trend. In sideways trend, we have to find a strong support of coin, and then we have to find a strong resistance of coin, and then after finding these two levels, we have to go for buying on a strong support level and then selling on strong resistance level. And if we look at Ethereum against USDC on 1 day time frame, it has a strong support of 2100 because Ethereum has respected this support level on these levels, and currently price is also moving on this support level, that is 2100. And if we look at the resistance, a strong resistance of Ethereum, it has a strong resistance of 4100, and Ethereum respected this resistance level on these levels and these levels as well. So we have a strong support of 2100 in Ethereum and strong resistance of 4100 in Ethereum. And as I have mentioned earlier in this video, that in as this coin is moving in its sideways trend, we have to buy on a strong support level and sell on strong resistance level. If we look at current prices of Ethereum, it is trading at 2195. And if you look at the lowest level of this candle made a low of 2100 and exactly touched the level of 2100. That is our strong support on 1 day time frame. If Ethereum sustain above 2100 in upcoming days, its prices will move on upside again, and they will try to retest its stronger resistance level on upside, that is to 4100 level. But for that, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 2100 in Ethereum, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 2100. After that, your first target will be 2700. Second target on upside will be 3300, and final target on upside will be this strong resistance level on 1 day time frame, that is 4100. But if Ethereum fails to sustain above 2100, it will simply break this sideways trend and it will enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices on downside. But it has not submitted a new breakdown yet, and it has not given closing below 2100 at this moment, so we cannot predict those levels on downside. But whenever it will submit a new breakdown, I will definitely share those levels on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel so you don't miss those upcoming levels in Ethereum. But for now, if it sustains above 2100, you can go for buying into this level, and then you can keep three targets in Ethereum. First target 2700, second target on upside 3300, and final target on upside is 4100. And we can expect the price to move on upside almost 100% on current level from current levels. The next coin that we are going to discuss in this video is Binance coin BNB. If we look at BNB against USDC on a 1 day time frame, currently this coin is consolidating or moving in this rising channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is 515. That is trend. This is the level of this trend line support of this channel formation, and the resistance of this channel formation is around 823. That is around this level. That is the trend line resistance of this channel formation. Currently, price of BNB coin is trading at 600. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and you want to get exit from it, and that exit point in BNB coin is a 637, that is 50 EMA resistance of BNB coin. You, if you want to exit, then you can definitely at 637 in this coin. And if you want to go for buying into this kind, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 515 in this kind. And after that, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this level, because if it give closing below 515 and fail to sustain above 515, this coin will simply break this channel formation, and it will enter in. It will enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices on downside. So don't forget to put your stop loss below this 515 level in BNB coin. And if it sustains above 1515, you can go for buying into this coin at 515, stop loss below 500, and your first target on upside will be 637, and final target will be this trend line resistance of this channel formation, that will be around 800. So these will be your two targets on upside when it will sustain, where you will go for buying into BNB at 515 and it sustains above 515. The next coin is the Solana. Guys, if you want to know how GRT coin, FLR coin, IMX coin, ENA coin, and STX coin will perform in upcoming days, you can watch my this last video that I uploaded on my this YouTube channel. You can go and check out this video as well. The next coin is Solana. I have opened a chart of SOL against USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at this coin has recently entered into its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this double top formation when it gave closing below 168.78 in this candle. After that, it exposed three targets on downside. First target was 137.40. If you look at these candles has successfully achieved this first target on downside. Second target on downside of this double top formation is 106.75, and final target on downside in Sol is 78.92. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level in this coin is 180. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 180. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, the second strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown. This coin has submitted a new breakdown on these levels when it gave closing below 168.78 in this candle. And we can also go for selling or short selling into this coin at this level, this breakdown level, that was 168.78. And after that, after selling or short selling into this coin, our targets on downside will be, first target will be 137.40. that has already been achieved. It might prices move on upside, test the exit level or strength level, and then might come on downside, then again our first target will be 137.40, second target will be 106.75, and final target on downside in the Sol will be 78.92 on downside, and we can expect almost 50% drop in its prices in upcoming days if it fails to sustain above 180 level. As this kind is moving in this downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this kind until I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this kind for mid-term to long term until it is confirmed that this kind has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this kind has started its uptrend when it will sustain above 180. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this kind from midterm to long term. But if you get a less risky buying opportunity for intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying into this kind on intraday basis. But for midterm to long term, I will definitely not recommend you guys to go for buying into this kind at this moment. The next coin is Cardano. I have opened the chart of ADA against USD. So in 1 day time frame, if we look at this coin is moving in this falling channel formation where the support of this channel formation is 0.4957 and the resistance of this channel formation is 1.0061. Currently, price is moving at 0.8763. If you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that either you get a buying price in this coin, that is Cardano or ADA. You get a buying price of 0.4957, that is a trend line support of this channel formation. You can go for buying into this coin at this level and push your, and don't forget to push your stop loss below this trend line support of this channel formation, because if it give closing below this level, that is a 0.4957, it will simply enter into its downtrend. It will break this channel formation and we will see a huge drop in its prices on downside if it fail to sustain above 0.4957. And if you go for buying at 0.4957, your stop loss will be below this level, and after that your first target will be 0.7701 and final target will be this trend line resistance of this channel formation, that is 1.0061. Currently price is moving at 0.8750. You can keep this coin in your watch list. If you look at these candles has given a breakout of this channel formation, but currently price is moving within this channel formation. But in upcoming days, if the price again move on upside and sustain above 1.0061 and you want to go for buying into this coin, then you will not wait for the level of 0.4957 in this coin for buying. You can simply go for buying into this coin above 1.0061 if it sustain above 1.0061 in upcoming days, and after that its prices will go on upside, and where its first target on upside will be 1.1720, second target on upside will be 1.3251, and final target on upside will be 1.5357, and these will be the targets in this coin if it sustains above 1.0061. But if it fail to sustain above 1.0061, then if you want to go for buying, then you should definitely wait for the level of 0.4957 for buying in this coin. Otherwise you can face a huge loss in this coin, and if it's sustained above 1.0061, then you can definitely see a price moving on the upside where we can see almost 50% increase in its prices on upcoming days if it is sustained above 1.0093. But if it fails to sustain above 1.0061, we will see a drop of almost 50% in its prices on downside if it failed to sustain above 1.0043, and its prices will come on the level of 0.4957. So you need to make sure that you remember these levels and plan your trade according to these levels. That's all for now. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. That's all for now. See you in next video.